2 dias intensos de troca, de palestra rica.
It's been quite incredible, just to learn how much Dynamox is innovating.
Bueno, la experiencia en este DynaSummit ha sido más que impresionante.
Espetacular poder juntar muitas empresas conversando sobre nossa solução, debatendo sobre nossa solução, conseguir expor o nosso futuro, como a gente está vendo a indústria da manutenção evoluir e trazer as novidades, as melhores práticas.
It's quite a learning experience to see how the company is changing from year to year, and also the collaboration with your other partners to learn from their successes, where we can improve, from the clients that are here as well, learning from their knowledge in the industry. Australia can learn a lot.
Quite amazes me how the company has moved forward so fast, and taking on this challenge, moving to Australia, away from the family and from the friends, was actually quite rewarding to see how the company has evolved into something even bigger and with more technology, more qualified people.
Realmente é um momento único com nossos clientes, com vocês. Realmente a gente não podia sonhar melhor.
We're in the early stages of our predictive maintenance journey with Dynamox, and I think we've taken a lot away from this conference. So truly proud to be part of this. Really appreciate the opportunity to be here, and we look forward to next year.
De poder conocer, de poder compartir experiencias, así como nosotros también hemos podido compartir experiencias con otros proveedores, compartir también información, ver innovaciones, hacer este intercambio de ideas que nos ha hecho tan pero tan bien.
Falando sobre o momento de hoje e o que vai acontecer nos próximos anos. Eu realmente não podia esperar melhor e, sobretudo, sobre a qualidade do que aconteceu. Foi realmente incrível.